Guys, so in this video I will show you how you can make OTP without using random functions. Like math class have a static random function, so many people using that function they make OTP, but I will show you how to make it like without using the math.random function. So let's start this video, and I will let the class name that my OTP. Okay, it will give me this frame here. What I will do is, oh sorry, no problem, class name has become something wrong. So first of all we will take input from the user. For that we need input output package to import, and then it should throw exception. Now buffered reader br is equal to new buffered reader system dot in, sorry, okay, new input stream reader. Now it will ask for the numbers, that digit of OTP. Like many people have, many banking system has 4 digit or 6 digit or 7 digit or 8 digit. So system.order print enter the number of digits for OTP. Now I will take int n equal to integer. We have to use wrapper class integer dot parse int br dot read line method. So it will give the integer. Now let's, have you heard about long, that it has a method called current time millis. Long t is equal to, so long, now it is having runtime class through which you can call a method called current time millis, or you can use the system class for calling this method. What it is doing is, it will give you the time in current time millis, like milliseconds. It will give the time in milliseconds. So to check that we are going in correct way or not, we will print it. Save. So copy here, paste. Okay, remove this. Compiler will open in my saved location, and here I will write javac.java. Okay, system dot in. Okay, there it is, giving error now. Okay, So it is giving the time in milliseconds. So this has 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 13. It has 13 digits. So what we can do is, what I will do is string s. I will take it in string format. So for that I will use string dot value of method, and I will put it here. So what it will do, it will bring that in um, typecasting the long to string. You can use long dot to string method also. It will also convert the long to string. Now I will take char array. Char array I will take it as, and then int, sorry, new char, and then I will use the digits which I need for the OTP. So what it will take, it will store the OTP and it will return it, the number of digits which you have provided, with the user has provided 5, 6, 7, 8, anything. So till 13. Now what we will do, we will what, like, yeah, so it will store the digits. And now uh, we will take one more char array. What it will do, it will take to the two char array. So what it is doing is, it is storing all the string in character array, and then we will use a for loop int I equals 0. So for ch it will start from 0, but what we will take, we will take the number as in reverse order. So int, wait, j is equal to, let's suppose int n is equal to ch dot length. Okay, and here I will take n minus 1. Now I should run till ch dot length and I plus plus. Now in ch at I, what we need to store is ch1 and whatever it is at j. Okay, so it is giving me the array. Now at every iteration, what I need to do is, I will reduce the index of character array. Okay, so this is done. Now what I will do, I will print the new array, that is, now this has been done. Now what we will do, we will give the reference of ch1, give the reference of new, that is ch to ch1, and we will keep it as null. So this could be an example of garbage collection. Now I will write system out dot println, and then OTP is. Now you would have heard about that character array is a string is a array of characters. So I will pass the array here. Now ch dot length j plus plus. Okay. I should be ch smaller than I should be not a statement minus 1 I plus plus. Oh, sorry. Wait a second. Nested initialization. That is did multiple initializations. Now variable n is already defined in method main. So n should be uh, size, and size will be size minus 1. Okay, now let's see the output. Now the output is like I will say 6, and okay, so it is giving an index out of bound from last character. It is starting and it is coming at the index 0 to 1. Okay, so size should be minus k, and wait a second, int uh, ss is equal to s dot length. Okay, and if I use here ss minus length, so uh, but we can uh, what if I use division or modulus? uh, if I use g by 2, what it should print? Okay, so you can see that here in the OTP it is 1532517, but what it is taking as 1 then 1. So division, it's taking division like 13 So what it will get 6. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. At 1 it is taking this, and after that it is taking at 6 is 7, right? After that it is taking 6, then 2 and 5 and 11. So it is not taking the the output may be 708537, then 708536, 70853. So every millisecond it's increasing, right? So if I'm taking 5, then 36251. So how it is taking 36251. So this middle element it is taking as a middle element. Now okay, so if I'll use you can use it -1 also here, -1 or -2, but I will prefer you can use this one, -2. So if I'll use 6, then it will give me 616. That is, it is taking from reverse, and you can see that 1 from last, you can see 1, then 6, then 2, then 6, then 5, then 3. So this is giving us the OTP that is unique. You can see this 55465. It is not every time I am using it, it is giving me a different number. So it can be used as OTP like in banking transactions or anything else. So this was a code for making OTP, and that's it from this tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, you can comment, or you can like this video, and if you have any query, you can comment us. We will definitely reply you. Thanks for watching.